Hello, this is your cameraman, Daniel Dusky, for this final video of today of the construction for January 7, 2023, and this is an aftermath video. I was not here because I was out shopping with my family members. Yep. Right now it's about approximately quarter before 4 o'clock, about 3:45. Yeah. I guarantee this is going to be a nice winter. Look at all this shit they had to destroy like termites. This is like the Money Pit crap. It's not a great movie with Tom Hanks. It was a remake from Mr. Brains Builds His Dream House with Cary Grant and Myrtle Loy. Look at this. This is an aftermath. Yeah. This is a mud and crap. They should fix up the sidewalk one day. Turns out to be like crap. This is the thing like from months ago. Yeah. What they did. At least they didn't tear down no friggin' trees. I don't want to see any more trees chopping down. I love the friggin' trees. They should build some trees in the future. Behind the place. Yeah. I hope they don't chop down any more trees in the future. Yeah. This is the site anyway. And they're still building like that little patio across the street. Tonight's gonna be like in the low 30s and upper 20s. See this over there? Yep. See what they did. They didn't chop down the tree recently, but they chopped down the tree like months ago. See what they did? Yeah. They actually destroyed this shit. Yep. To put up a new friggin' land. Yep. That's why I haven't been happy about this since they chopped down trees. Well, there you have it. This is an aftermath video of the construction. So I'll see you next time when I give you updates of the construction. Maybe tomorrow, maybe Monday. Everything's all depends. Comment, subscribe, or ring the bell if you like any of the previous videos that I made recently this week. Take care, folks, and see you next time when I give you some updates around the area of Pottsville, Pennsylvania. Goodbye. Good night, folks, and see you later. Goodbye. An old guy over there? Yeah. Life is struck by curiosity. Tommy steals. Last way by curiosity. We're going.